Peace and Quiet IO app. So here it is. Here is the project. You can see in here. It's quite viral app. They have specific peace and quiet index, shows a neighborhood score from avoid to peaceful neighborhood. And you can just explore different neighborhoods in different cities. Like here's like you can see in Denver areas, and then you can see all of the details what happened in here, and then you can see all types of different either crimes or things like that which happened. So you can see violent crime, all of things basically in the map. So yeah, that's what it is. I don't know what these names are. You can also vote, so maybe it's just showing the people who voted for it. Yeah, it's kind of quite a new website. They don't have a specific app, so then you can see real voter data. Top 10 most common names. Then you can see highest density in here. So that's kind of the idea. And then this is just what you have. And then rankings. Either it's like name or yeah. Can support independent research. So yeah, that's kind of what it is. So that's kind of the app. It's ongoing project. They add in a lot of stuff. It's a bit not exactly clear, so for me. So this is a PQ index. That's understandable. But what are all these names? I kind of don't understand what that is. So yeah, maybe here just people are voting for the, how safe the area is, and people just keep voting on the areas. You need to sign up to vote. So something like that.